Hi friends, today you learned that some words have the oi vowel sound as in boy, and several patterns of letters can stand for the oi vowel sound. Today you're going to play a matching game alone or with a partner, depending on what your teacher tells you to do. And the directions say play a matching game by dragging the card, reading the word, and identifying the oi spelling pattern. Then turn over a card and repeat. If two words have the same pattern, then you get to keep those cards. If not, you'll put the orange piece back over and repeat. So I'm going to look up here and I'm going to choose to move an orange card here. I'm going to move it to the side, and here is the word annoy. My little brother will annoy me, okay? Annoy. It has that O-Y. And then I'm going to move this orange piece. Okay, and here's the word spoil. And they don't have the same spelling pattern, so I'm going to put the orange cards back. Continue until you have matched all of the words with another word that has the same spelling, either O-Y or O-I. As you go, make sure that you are reading the words. And if you want to challenge yourself, a good thing to do would to be write the match that you get either on a separate piece of paper or on your desk if your teacher allows.